using TBox send keys to send the following string. Maybe I should watch more Flurfunk videos, to the window called window name whatever. We use the asterisk because it could be window name 1, window name 2. It's really simple. That's it. Now if you want to send a control A, you have to use the little hat character. That's what that's called there. Okay, that little one. Hat and then A. You're not going to send the brackets, you're just sending control A. Now if you want to send a delete to your window, you have to have your delete in curly brackets. If you want to send an Alt F4, which closes windows, we have to send the percentage sign and then in quotes and curly brackets F4. That will shut down the window called window name star. If you want to send the enter key, it's very simple. It's just enter in quotes like that. If you want to close all browser tabs except one, this really does depend upon the browser that you're actually using, but it just gives you an indication of how you can basically combine these things. For example, that there's the control, there's the shift, and there's the F4. If you want to, another example of doing lots of things simultaneously, Control, Shift, Alt, E. Okay. And if you want to close a program, a window, or a tab, or a document, if you want to just send Control W, there it is there, right? Control W. Just like above, okay? With Control A. So that's basically enough to get you going with send keys if you're going to send it to a window. If you want to send it to an element, here you can see this is the little module I did for Google. There's the query string, Google search, and then I'm feeling lucky. If you want to send, if you want to have something, if you have something in your search field and you want to select all of it, you can do send keys, Control A. That'll select everything on this in the text box. Now, although I'm using Google, it's probably going to be an account number in some sort of banking application, and you just want to select it before you send in the next thing. So after you've selected it, then you can do a send keys, a del to get rid of it, and then you can do another send key to type in the account number. Now, if we want to send curly brackets ABC, close curly bracket to Google, you do it like this. You have to basically put curly brackets around your round bracket. It's kind of ugly, but it gets the job done. And if you want to search for Mercedes, I recommend you don't type in BMW. And if you want to type in Mercedes and immediately followed by an enter, you don't need the quotes, just put in enter like that. And then you're done. So that's a short little video. I hope you find it helpful. Take care, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. Yeah. Bye.